Did you know that you can win these big prizes by just making a short TikTok video or an Instagram or Facebook Reels or maybe a YouTube video with the hashtag Filmora Fun Collage? If you want to know the steps on how to enter and win, please watch this video up until to the end. What is up, you guys? It's Lance again on your screen, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to try out the newest campaign of Filmora or Wondershare Filmora, which is the hashtag Filmora Fun Collage. You will be able to join this campaign, and there are very few steps that you need to do to enter. But before that, I want to show you how this hashtag Filmora Fun Collage works inside Wondershare Filmora video editing software. Okay, so if you don't have one, you can use the download link in the description below to install Wondershare Filmora. Okay, so once you opened Filmora 12, just head over to templates right here. Once you are already in templates, you just click this tab right here. It says templates. And the first tab here is the hashtag Filmora Fun Collage. Okay, so in this template tab, we have a bunch of different fun collage templates, okay, that you can use for your social media accounts, just like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter, to showcase your events in life like vacation, or maybe your fashion, or maybe your graduation, since it's graduation season right now here in the Philippines. Also, you can show your sports highlights, your daily vlogs, your daily life. So to do this fun collage, you just need to drag and drop the template that you really like onto your editing timeline. Okay, so let's do that. I like this one that I saw earlier, which is the American style retro collage. Okay. All right, so now as you can see, we already generated the template, the fun collage template from Filmora. So as you can see here, we already have some audio and some video clips, which we can replace. Just need to hold Alt and drag and drop it to the original video from the template. Okay, so as you can see, there is a plus sign right there under the cursor, so it means that you will replace the original video with your own video or a stock video. Okay, there you go, it's now replaced. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so it's now replaced with the video that we have. And then let's do it with all the video clips so that we can have another new fashion vlog intro. Okay. Alright, so I forgot to show you the other layers of this template. It's actually stacked. So when you scroll up here, you can see that there's layer 3, 4, 5, 16, 15, 16, 17, 18, up to 18 video layers. So if you're planning to use this, expect that there are so many elements here. But yeah, since we're now done replacing all of the videos from the original template, let us now watch the 10-second result. So if you want to win the hashtag Filmora Fun Collage, you just need to click the link in the description below, which is the campaign link. You will be landed on this website. So as you can see, all of the information that you need is here. So there are 4 easy steps to enter. Just like what I've said earlier, you need to download Wondershare Filmora. Step 2, you need to pick a template like what I did earlier. And step 3, you just need to import your own media, drag and drop it to the template. And step 4, you're now good to go. Just export it and upload it with the hashtag Filmora Fun Collage. Okay, so This event started last May 25th and it will stop receiving entries on June 26th, 11:59 p.m. Okay? So if you want to enter, just go ahead to your Wondershare Filmora and make your own video now. The winners will be announced on the 1st of July. Again, these are the prizes. So I hope you who's watching right now, I hope that you can win one of these prizes. And if you want to learn more about the do's and don'ts of the event or the policies, you just go ahead on this link. So you can see the do's and don'ts here. Just there are just four do's and four don'ts. Also, you can check out the terms and conditions of this event so that you know if you are eligible or not with your content. So just click this link right here and you can see the rules of participation. So there are more information here to read. You can just go ahead and click the link in the description below. Share your memorable moments now with the fun collage of Wondershare Filmora 12. That's all for today and thank you so much for watching guys. Ayo, it's Lance and I'm signing off. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.